back to show off our record validation agent and some other functionalities it has. Its use case is extended beyond contacts for accounts and leads. Here we're going to show off the accounts feature. Go ahead and create a new account. Just name it test account. We're going to go ahead and create a phone number, add a phone number. Just go ahead and use this. Weird formatting. We're going to go ahead and save and exit out of it, and just wait here for a quick second, and we're going to go ahead and reload it after that. But use cases are extended for accounts, contacts, and leads when uploading/importing a CSV file. Goes ahead and formats all phone numbers as long as the when uploading properly hit the trigger flow button, as well as making sure that your columns and bounds are properly aligned. And after reloading it, you can see that the number has been properly formatted into a way for our soft phone to easily call. Thank you.